Sniti, and in the last video we have started with the lesson number 0 of Apprenons le Français, which is Vous connaissez la France. Now, Vous connaissez la France means do you know France? And in that video we have completed with the first two topics, and those are location and geographical structure and the important facts. So now we are going to cover the next two topics, the left two topics of this video, which are monuments and landmarks and the famous product. Here is a cute smiley that's saying you, why is anything awaiting? Let's start with the video. So let us start. तो आ गया हमारा टॉपिक, that is monuments and landmarks. अब whosoever have seen the book, उनको तो ये लग रहा होगा अरे इतने कम में दो ही तो बता रखे हैं भाई. अभी मैंने these what I am telling you here is a short but the most important overview about the chapter, and if you need the detailed and theoretical explanation of the chapter with the other monuments and places as well about all the images that we have found here, then on this book, then you can go to my other playlist in which I have taken an online video, online PDF of that chapter and explain it to you. So now coming to this, which is monuments. So the important monuments, we can call museums also as monuments. So the two museums that are found here are only listed a few in these books, but they are not the least one. France has a total of thousands of many wonders, and France is a beautiful and an interesting country. So the first museum is Le Louvre. It is written in French, Le Louvre. Now what do we mean by Le? Le is the article défini, which is definite article of the. Now Louvre is the name and Orsay is also the name. Le Louvre, le musée d'Orsay. ल तो समझ आ गया, द है. अब म्यूजियम क्या होता है? So museum is nothing else but it is museum, and the apostrophe is states of. So the museum of Orsay, the musée d'Orsay. Now coming to the important landmarks and famous landmarks. For that we will take up some of the places. I have only noted 3 of them, which are La Tour Eiffel. अब कुछ आ रहा है दिमाग में, कुछ आ रहा है कि हाँ सुना तो है, आईफिल टावर कहीं कहीं सुना है. हाँ और यार है, तो इसके लिए मैं बता दूँ, तो टूर जो होता है दैट इज टावर, एंड ईफेल और आईफिल टावर दोनों सेम है. तो वे करेक्ट, यू आर करेक्ट. It is Eiffel Tower as I have made here, La Tour Eiffel. Now the Cathedral de Notre Dame et Les Châteaux. Now what do we mean by A that I pronounced here? A means, it is written as E-T, it means and. La Cathedral de Notre Dame is nothing but it is basically a church, and here were all the places. Now here are 2 images that I have drawn to give you an example of the museum. So the Musée de Louvre, now here it is written Le Louvre only, and here is just written Le Musée de Louvre. They both are same, just the Museum of Louvre and the Louvre. Louvre and Louvre are the names, and musée are the museum. So it is just a kind of a sentence. The Musée de Louvre, the Louvre Museum is in shape of a triangle, and here we have the Eiffel Tower that no one is unknown to. Before that, you may have remembered that I have told you about the French flag, which is Le Drapeau Français. In that, I've told you there are in total 3 colors, and those 3 colors were blue, white and red. So here I have made a French flag which is consisting of blue, white and red, even though I have not colored it, but yeah, this is the French flag, and the colors are as follows. Here we fill the blue, here we fill the red, and voila, you have the French flag. So let's get to the next topic. And here we are with the famous products. The famous products are its wines, its cheese, and its fashion. The wines are listed as below: Le Bourgogne, Le Bordeaux. Now here we can see Le and Le in every word here also. So what do we mean by Le? As I told you earlier, Le is known as the. It is a French word for the. So Le Bourgogne, Le Bordeaux. Now coming to the cheese, which are Le Camembert, Le Gruyere. Now coming to the fashion, there are two fashions which are written here, but there are many others, which are Christine Dior and Yves Saint Laurent. Now you might get confused by seeing a Y in front of a V. And why is that so? And do we call it Yves? No, it is not called as Yves, but it is always called as Yves, as the Y here is silent. So we will pronounce it as EVES, not EVES, not wives. And that's it for this lesson. We have completed it with everything else, and now only the exercises are left, and we'll do them together in the next part of the video. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and have a nice day.